Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into papaya gut health tips, why this tropical fruit is a superstar for your digestive system, and how you can enjoy it in delicious ways. Papaya isn't just sweet and refreshing, it's packed with nutrients that support your gut. Let's look at the top 5 benefits of eating papaya for gut health. Rich in digestive enzymes. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and improves digestion. High in fiber, keeps your digestive system moving smoothly and prevents constipation. Supports healthy gut microbiome. The prebiotic fiber in papaya feeds good bacteria in your gut, promoting balance. Reduces bloating and indigestion. Papain and fiber together help reduce bloating and ease discomfort after meals. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E fight inflammation, which is key for a healthy gut lining. Now, let's make a quick and tasty recipe. Papaya Yogurt Bowl ingredients. 1 cup ripe papaya cubes, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, a drizzle of honey, a sprinkle of chia seeds. Here's how you can make it. Add papaya cubes to a bowl, top with Greek yogurt, drizzle honey and sprinkle chia seeds. Enjoy a gut-friendly, protein-packed snack. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Want to learn more about gut health and nutrition? Check out our exclusive course. Links in the description. Until next time, goodbye.